again. Layla here. Okay, another pour with cheap stuff from Dollarama, leftover paint. I had from before from some workshops. We use this kind of colors. I mix them in here, and I didn't add nothing to the paints, just water and Floetrol. I went in Detroit and I bought it because in Canada it's very expensive. I find on Amazon this bottle with 50 bucks in Canada, so I don't think I'll spend so much on just a paint conditioner. But you can go in Detroit if you are in Windsor and you're closer. You can go and get this with $7, so worth the try. You can find this kind of the same thing, a paint conditioner with $10 at Lowe's. It's Paint Ease, so it's doing the same thing. This is more liquidy than Floetrol, and it doesn't have some flocons in, like Floetrol has some weird things in. This one doesn't, so and it's tell you how to mix, but I eyeball it. I don't do that. Yeah, so I still have some paint left from last time, and I want to tell you how I'm keeping my paints. So my paints, I keep them in a box with the lid. This is a very old box. I sprinkle water on top, put the lid close, and put them in the fridge. Keep them in the fridge so they don't dry and they don't go bad. So yeah, it's pretty good, cool thing to do, so you don't waste. Again, white and black, and a mixture of colors that I have here. A mess, but it's a good mess. And let's go. Do you know I'm recording now? It's okay, you'll be on YouTube. Binu is one of my dogs, so it's a trickster. Okay, so if I put red over the white, will turn in pink. I don't mind pink, but this time I just want green on the white side. Last time I had the red, and I had the green on the black. Now I switched. Yeah. I don't have much left. I'll use some purple here too. Work with, it's pretty dark. Just because I want to finish the paint. So I have the red there. Let's add a little bit more red. Mixes very nice with black. Okay, I didn't have yellow, but I will add just a drop in the orange. Just because I had that, I don't know what this color is, the light green. I like it, but I don't know the name. Good. Next one I'll work with the earth tones. Let's do it. Let me take my gun. Awesome. You can play a little bit more, but I don't want to ruin things. Sometimes when you're overworking a piece, you ruin it. So I feel that if I'll touch it, I'll ruin this. Pretty cool. Love it. So no, nothing in it, only Floetrol. That's a paint conditioner. Makes the paint stay flat and flow like fluid. Water in the paints, Dollarama paints. And I like here, watch. Awesome. I'll take a few pictures and I'll post them.